Hello, everyone. Let's glue in my vintage style English tea glue book. I say vintage style, but it's a lot of vintage actually items in this book. I have a flip through, and I'll link it above and below. It's bound together by the twine method that I always like to do. All of my books are primarily no sew. So this is a no sew vintage style journal that I did years and years and years ago, but I started to use it to get a second life out of it as a glue book. The phone rang, so I'm actually talking on the phone while I'm gluing down things. So that's why it's sped up and the volume's off. I'll probably go ahead and just play music after a while. I don't want to delete this video. So I felt like working in my vintage style glue book because it was raining outside. It was dreary. So I don't know why that equates with the vintage style. But anyway, here we are. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm just popping in to say hello. I just called. Okay. Y'all know I can't sing, right? So I don't know why I broke out in song. I always do that. If you've been with me for a while, you know I do that. And I know you say, I wish you would just play the music, girl. Just play the music. So I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to play the music. But I'd like to thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you in the next one. If I see something, because I'm still going to watch it while I'm editing, I'll pop in and say something. But right now, I don't think I'm going to pop in. I'm just placing some things down. And what's good about this book, and what you'll see later, is it became a little busy with both sides. So I think I added a piece of paper to break it up. So I'm gluing on both sides, and then I break it up. So that's why I like my twine method or my no sew, because if I can add or take out papers as I want to. Okay, again, I'll pop in if I have something to say, but other than that, I think I'm just going to play music, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.